Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Beam telling you to update the app, but when you go to the App Store, there's no update showing? Here's how to break out of that loop. This frustrating loop happens when Beam servers detects your app version is outdated, but the App Store hasn't fully rolled out of the update to your region or account yet. First, open the App Store on your phone and then tap on your profile picture at the top right and pull down to force a full refresh of available updates. This alone often makes the Beam update appear. Tap Update if it shows it in the list. If it still does not appear, go to your Settings app, then tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the settings, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Then, after signing out, sign back in with your Apple ID. This resets the App Store kit and usually surfaces the update. If you're in Australia and update still does not appear after signing back in, go to the settings again, tap on your Apple ID, then scroll down to Media and Purchases, tap View Account and confirm your App Store region is set to Australia. So all you've got to do is go to the App Store, then pull to refresh, sign out and back in into your Apple ID and confirm your App Store region is Australia. The update appears and the loop breaks, and that's it. Subscribe.